Currently, collecting underwater data is labor-intensive and dangerous, very often carried out by diver teams.
Underwater is a really challenging environment. Visibility is very limited, but most importantly, there is no GPS, so localization is really difficult.
Aquatonomy provides underwater intelligence using autonomous underwater robots.
You have to take thousands and tens of thousands of pictures and then get them together and get the geometry right. This is really the core of our technology.
Aquatonomy's autonomous underwater solutions will benefit the customers in two ways: keeping humans out of harm's way by reducing the labor time by up to 90%. And providing digital 3D models with precise localization data.
Having these accurate measurements is actually really essential in a lot of different domains, from infrastructure to offshore energy, aquaculture to ocean conservation.
We had been looking for an accelerator program that fits with our needs, and we heard about the robotics factory.
This was really an awesome experience for us. It provided us all the experience that we do not have in the company, from sales to marketing, and connected us to mentors that have long-time experience in the field. It's a really meaningful problem to solve because it affects the safety of divers. It also affects the safety of structures like bridges or dams. Given the state of the infrastructure in our country, it's really important that we can get good inspections and know when action needs to be taken before any failures happen.